Clue.
I think everyone can hear me like this, right? I don't need a mic. I like walking around and I think my voice is already loud enough. Well, we are CO2 with Debarshi, my buddy Debarshi. We worked all weekend on creating this. I'm Siebe, we're both studying at the TU Delft, Industrial Ecology and Computer Science. And we're here to present our app. Well, we all consume energy. This is, everyone is doing this in their houses, whatever. And at the end of the year, we get an energy bill. It says you will use so many kilowatt hours with so many cubic meters of gas. But what does this actually say? I mean, nobody really understands. So if you ask the question, are you using a lot? Or are you polluting the world? Are you having an impact on climate? People most of the time respond like, I don't know, not sure. Or, hey, what are you talking about? So what we want to do is we want to compare people in the same neighborhood. We want to see what everyone is doing, to sort of create a benchmark. So people can refer to stuff, but not only to other people, but also to products or activities, to see how much impact they really have. So what we did, we created a website, also accessible by mobile phone, iPad, or whatever you want. You can make it big in the right corner. While just entering your postcode. For example, now we're going to in Naarden, you can see what's the average use in your postal code and cubic meters of gas, and you can refer this to actual products. So, or to trees, how many trees do you need to uptake your CO2 emissions, or how many beers could you have produced? And this ultimately calculates through. So every postcode, this will be different. And we can explore the data even more. So for example, what is the average in Naarden? What are they doing in Naarden? And how much gas is being used and electricity is being used? Same for the postal area and for your postal code. And what we can also do, we create a sort of community where people can actually talk to each other in their same postal codes. Hey, I have an awesome idea at my neighbor. There's so much space on the roof. I want to place, for example, solar panels, or I want to make a green wall or whatever. Oh.
Okay, thank you very much, CO2. Any questions? Please stay here for the questions.
What kind of open data did you use?
So, from Leander.
So we use the Leander data. For each postcode, they had whole year's data. So we process them, we summarize it. We use various technologies to summarize the data across various regions.
And for the calculation, we use existing life cycle analysis, so we can see how much CO2 is emissions from energy and from electricity and from gas, and we can convert this to actual happenings or products. Okay.
Can you share something about your revenue model? How you convert?
Yeah, that's the funny part. We did this. Most of the thing is we did it for fun. We want people to get more aware. We want to educate people. We don't really want to know. We're not going to make money.
Yeah, well, that's not true. You can make money in various ways. So, for instance, you get a bill, you get a logo with that saying you could have the amount of energy you use. It's like 2,000 cans of cola. In this way, they can use our existing models that we have to use. You can have some transaction fee or something you can use. Also, branded content, native content. Companies would say the Heineken beer or something. So there are various ways you can make money.
Okay, thank you.